How's it going, Jam Campus friends? Hope your week is off to a wonderful start. Ours definitely is over here. We're gearing up to move down to the southern part of the country, so pretty excited about that. So here's the deal for today. Some of you may remember back in March of this year, we had another challenge over spring break where I challenged you to create your own educational songs and videos over that 1 week period, submit your videos, and you had a chance to win some awesome prizes. Well, we were overwhelmed with submissions. We had 0 submissions. There were none. But that's okay, that's why we're back at it again today. Many of you have commented or sent me messages or sent me emails and said, hey, you know, spring break wasn't enough time, but summer break, I'm gonna have a couple months off. That's a perfect amount of time for me to make my own educational song and video. So I was like, that sounds great. Let's do it. Boom. And that's what we're doing today. Starting today, you have until August 1st, 2018 to complete your very own educational song and video, upload it to the tube, share it with me, share it with everyone else, and you have a chance to win. What do you have a chance to win? That's a really great question. Well, young friend, besides just personal gratification from completing a project, you will also have the chance to win your very own Mutations Happen t-shirt. This is the shirt that I was rocking in the Evolution song, Nature's Plan. Check it out if you haven't yet. But we'll send you your very own. You get to pick the color, you get to pick the size, and we'll just ship it straight to your house. Another benefit is that the winner of the contest also gets to be featured on the Jam Campus channel. Whether it's just showing some clips of your video and linking to your channel where you'd like to link, or it would be great to have you on in an interview style and actually hear how that whole process went. What were your challenges? What would you do different next time? What did you learn? Would you do it again? It'd be good just to share your wealth of knowledge with the next group of people that are gonna be making their educational songs and videos. So there it is, everyone. Once your video is complete, find the link down below and there will be a submission form. You can just have your video be public on YouTube or you can have it unlisted. Depends on whatever you prefer. But submit it in the link, send me your name, send me your email, just give me a little short description if you feel like it. If not, that's okay too. But that's how you submit into the contest. August 1st, remember the date, August 1st, mark it on your calendar now so that you don't forget. Actually mark it a week before that so then you have a week of cushion just in case you need a little bit more time to edit or to sing or to dance or to do whatever you need to do. And if you need some dancing lessons, don't call me. Honestly, that's all I got for you today. Have an awesome rest of your week. Hit me up with any questions that you have. Cannot wait to see what you come up with. Take it easy.